Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried egg bread step by step. Crack one egg into a small bowl and whisk lightly with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cut a 1-inch hole in the center of 2 bread slices. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat, melt butter, and toast the bread briefly on one side before adding the egg to the hole. Warm your pan first so the butter foams and browns slightly, adding flavor without burning. Gently pour the egg into the bread hole and season again with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cover the skillet for 1 to 2 minutes to set the top, or flip briefly for a firmer yolk. Slide the fried egg bread onto a plate and rest for a few seconds before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more easy recipes together. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for setting timers, streaming music, and freeing up your hands while you cook. I placed a link in the description so you can see the product and any deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your fried egg bread warm for the best texture and flavor, adding a sprinkle of fresh herbs or grated cheese if you like. Pair it with sliced avocado or a light side salad to cut through the richness. For a heartier option, add cooked bacon or smoked salmon, or simply enjoy it plain with a little extra salt and pepper for a quick, satisfying meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.